They've been great for me for 13 years, and I would strongly advise anybody to get them. A friend of mine who also has them said, you know, it's a quality of life issue, really. It's about improving your life situation, and it's just been a wonderful decision that I have had for these 13 years. There's no more root canals, there's no more teeth filling, there's no more crowns. So, you know, you've got that as part of it you got to consider. And then it's just worth it. It's just a good investment. It's a good feeling to have teeth that you can enjoy and not have to worry with dentures and things like that. Them some money if they needed it to help get them in, you know, because a very good investment, no question. Outstanding investment.